76 PSA. Can you open the Sally port, please?
That was clear. I got a last name Warden, first name Earl.
That's me. Can you give me that phonetically, please?
That's clear. William, Ocean, Robert, David, Laura, last name, first name is Earl. Edward, Adam, Robert.
Sir, can I get your date of birth, please?
I'm assuming you know the yellow lines. Will you stand on it for me, boss?
Oh, yeah.
I appreciate it.
Dude, I'm not going to give you any trouble.
I know. Will you stand on that one for me, boss? Sir?
I just left you.
We have stand on the yellow footprints for me.
Stay right up in the yellow footprints for me, please. Mr. Warden, I need you to stand right up here in the yellow footprints for me, please. Okay. All right, sir, as soon as the officer takes the cuffs off, I need you to take everything out of your pockets that are right up here on the desk in front of you, okay?
That's it.
That's everything? All right. I need you to take your belt off, set it right up here. And what size shoe do you wear?
12.
12s? All right. Go ahead and take your shoe.
Booking today? All right, let's get the show on the road.
I'm sorry?
I was here the other day. It took like hours to get booked. I said, I must not be awake this time.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and keep the mask on while you're out here, okay? You said a size 12?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Go ahead and take your shoes off. Set them up here on the desk. You're good.
Hopefully I get that back without being tore up.
Mr. Warden, everything you come in here with is everything you're going to leave here with.
Oh, no. It wasn't you that did it.
Oh, okay. All right.
They took my gun and they busted it up.
Okay.
City Hall.
I got to check them and then I'll let you have them back. Okay?
There's nothing in it, dude.
Okay.
I'm not bringing anything in here.
All right.
Anything.
All
I'm
right.
not going to give you a hard time. Don't you
All
remember
right.
I just left you?
I remember you. I still got to make sure I go through my process.
That's fine.
Okay, there you go. All right, sir, I need you to pull your pockets inside out as soon as you put those shoes on. I need you to untuck your shirt. Leave your shirt on, just untuck it. There you go, just like that. That's fine. Go ahead and put the shoes on. I need you to turn around. You're going to stand on the yellow line, face the wall. There you go. Spread your feet just a little bit wider. There you go. You don't have anything illegal on you or anything like that? No? All right. Stay like this, like that. There you go. Alrighty, go ahead and relax. You're going to stand right up there in the yellow footprints.
Say what the charge is this time?
I believe the offense is disorderly conduct.
Another class C misdemeanor. They could have cut a ticket for it.
You already have a mask.
Black Toyota Camry.
That's not real, it's toy.
Yeah.
My granddaughter gave it to me.
Oh, that's cool. Be added into your money. This is going to be basically, usually what we do is like a charm or something like that. This is
I think it's a business card or something.
there it is. It gets people to pick it up at least.
That may actually be how I got it. I don't even remember what's on it. Can I look at it? I don't even know what's on it, honestly.
It's yours. You can look at it.
Oh, that's for a dentist, yeah.
Oh,
You can
okay.
actually throw that away.
Just leave it in here. You can throw it away whenever you get out. Phone's turned off. All right. All right, sir. I need you to follow the red line. You're going to stand all the way against the gray wall.
Yeah, back for the pictures.
Yeah, got to do it every single time. Same thing for the fingerprints. Got to do that again. Just leave the mask on for right now.
I just got to fix my hair. I
Okay.
got a good looking photo.
Okay. Oh, where's my camera in there?
Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
All right, give me a second. I got to enter everything in.
Okay.
All right, what's your date of birth one more time?
9. Y'all should just teach me to do this as much as I'm in here.
Well, it takes a while to learn, actually. Not that you couldn't learn it, it just... Let's see here. All right, good. Take the mask all the way off your ears. All right, you're going to look right up here at this top camera.
You ready? There we go. You got your little thing to take a picture with? That's sad.
All right, you can go stand right up here. You can put both your thumbs up on the glass.
I think that right one, I don't think that right one's going to go through.
Yeah, I'll go through.
Yeah, okay.
Alrighty, go and follow that red line. You're going to stand back behind the desk in the yellow footprints. Alrighty. Alright. Alright, go ahead and take that. You're going to step inside number 2, change out of your shirt, your pants, change it to that, and come on back out here when you're done. All right, I'm going to pat you down again one more time. Go ahead and stand back over there in the yellow footprints. Same thing, hands on the wall. There you go. All right, keep your hands on the wall. There you go, just like that.
They didn't want to be looking for that time.
Oh, well,
I think that's because
all right. You can go ahead and stand. LaPorte Jail. Okay, what's the name? Yes, can you hold for just a minute? I got another call coming in. All right, thank you. Alrighty. We'll go ahead and get your property taken care of. White t-shirt. All right, I'm going to ask you a couple quick medical questions. Do you have any breathing problems? Do you have any kind of heart problems? You have high blood pressure?
No.
Are you diabetic?
Oh, you're right.
Do you suffer from seizures?
No.
You use any kind of illegal narcotics?
No.
Are you an alcoholic or do you drink? Have you been diagnosed with any kind of mental or emotional problems? Do you have any sexually transmitted diseases?
No.
Do you have tuberculosis?
No.
Do you have any other kind of medical problems we need to be aware of?
No.
Are you taking any prescription medications for any kind of problems? Have you ever attempted suicide?
No.
Are you thinking about harming yourself now? Okay. Have you traveled anywhere in the last 14 days?
No.
Have you had any close contact with anyone who's traveled in the last 14 days?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Have you had any close contact with anyone with flu-like symptoms?
No.
Have you had any flu-like symptoms, fevers, chills, difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, nothing like that? Okay, we'll take a quick temperature. 97.8 was the high one. All right. So like I read out to you earlier, we got all your property here, counted $50 in cash. Alrighty. I need you to sign right down here. That's just saying that this is all the property you came in here with. Thank you. Waiting for my signature pad to catch up. Okay. I need you to sign down here. That is just for the medical questions I asked you earlier. All right, Mr. Warden, like I said earlier, you were charged with disorderly conduct. Okay. The officer is going to be, the arresting officer is going to be bringing me a citation. He's also going to be filling out some other paperwork. As soon as we have that information, you'll be able to post a bond or try to get yourself out. However you need to. Is there anybody you need to call? Let them know where you are or anything like that? No? Okay.
Trust me, the whole world knows I'm here.
Okay. Well, if you change your mind, you can make a phone call using that blue phone if you want to. Okay? In the meantime, I'm going to get you somewhere to lay down, grab the top mattress. You're going to step inside. You're going to go to your left inside number 1. Number 1 on your left. There you go. And we'll be doing dinner probably here in a few minutes or so.
I'm almost afraid to ask what's for dinner.
Salisbury steak TV dinner.